How to verify your email domain ownership with Mailerlite. In this short tutorial, I will just explain you in just few steps that how you can verify your email domain ownership with Mailerlite. Right, so first of all, you have to just go to Google and type here Mailerlite and just click on the first link here. It will ask you to log in and sign up. You can also log in and sign up with Google ID. So I'll just click on sign up as I've already made my ID. It's very easy to do it, and once you have already logged in, you will be in the dashboard of Mailerlite. You can see here, and once you are here on the left side, you will see a lot of option. Here you will find account settings, so just click to account settings here, and once you click to the account setting, you will be redirected to this interface. Now here in the menu bar, you can see a lot of option. Go to the domain, and once you go to the domain, you can see I haven't added my domain. So first of all, you have to add your domain. So just click on add domain, and here it will ask your email address, right? So here you can just write here your email address. So for example, I will just write here okay, and once you're done, click on save. And once you click on save, it will authenticate, right? So this email I have sent you, for example, I'll just show you, for example, and Mailerlite have sent you an email to authenticate that you have entered the correct email. So just go to your domain email and just open it, and you will get an inbox, and just open it and confirm it. Once you confirm it, then it will authenticate and it will verify that it is a correct email or not. Once you're done, then this is how you can just add it. I hope you found this video very useful.